Hello coders. Today I am going to explain the second W problem, and this problem appears in the Shastra coding challenge 4. The problem statement uh, summarizes as every anime fans know that Luffy have achieved Gear 5. So who is going to be the second best character of this anime series? So we are going to help Jinbei to decide and assist him that who will be going to be the second best character by calculating their scores in course of their fighting and navigation skills and different etc skills. And let's see the code. Along with that, I will explain the logic of how we will find the second best, or we can say second largest number in that array. So first, this is a Python code. Here n explains the number of elements in the array, and a is the array which we will get as an input, and index array lines stores the elements in form of tuple. Here we will get a tuple of index of the element and that element itself. Here temp is used, variable is used to store the sorted array. First, we will sort the given elements of the array in descending order. Here we can see that reverse equal to true means we will be storing the array in descending order, elements of array in descending order, and key equals to lambda means it is used because index are equals to this store giving us the tuple of index and elements, therefore key equals to lambda, and all the sorted array will be stored in a new variable res, new variable array variable res, and what we and these lines signifies that we will be swapping the last two digit of the array, means the form numbers, like we will just combine the elements, sorted elements, not adding them, just we will be merging them. The largest number which will be formed, we will just swap the last two digit of that number and we will get the second largest digit of that in that array. And this here we will be printing the indices of the index of the number, because that is what we have asked in the questions. Let's take an example, and that then we will be clear what we are going to do, what is the basic logic. For example, we will taking array 5, 3, 4, and we will first sort the array in descending order. Here we have seen that 5, 4, 3. This will be the descending order, and then we will combine the array and combine the elements of the array. Like then we will get possible outcomes like 5, 4, 3. This will be the largest number, and then the second largest will be 5, 3, 4, and then 4, 5, 3. Okay. As we can see that this largest and second largest, the only difference between them is the last two digit of is just swapped among them. We have got the second largest number. So this is only the basic logic. The basic logic is we will first sort the element of the array in descending order, and then we will combine the element, and the largest number which have formed, we will just swap the last two digit and we will get the second largest digit easily. So this was a easy code, and we will get our winner, worthy winner. So thank you. I hope you have understand the code.